Hello everyone. So today in this video I will try to reinstall Citrix AOT container. So in case we have an issue with a container and we want to reinstall it, I want to check if the logs are being kept and can be read after the container has been reinstalled. Normally that should be the case because I've read the upgrade documentation, and here in the upgrade documentation Citrix says that it is safe to delete the old container and install the new container version. But in my case I don't have a new container version. I want to reinstall the old one. So let's see how we can do that. So those are the uninstall steps, but I believe I don't have to do this. I just need this command and then run the install one more time. So before we start, let's see. I want to see if I have VDA logs older than today. So today is the 20th and we should see something from yesterday. Okay, so I also have logs from yesterday, so we are good. And after I reinstall this, we should see those logs. Okay, let's start. So I'm here at my the Linux machine where the Docker and the container are present. Let's go with Docker. Yes, password. Okay, so the container is up and running. So it was created 16 hours ago, and let's follow the first instruction. So we basically I would remove the existing. So this is the command to remove it. Also with sudo because I'm not logged in with the root account, and no such container. Okay, let's first stop it. So again, Citrix did not provide all the commands. Nevertheless, we should be able to fix it. So I'm stopping the container. -a, so it is stopped, and now let's with log server. Okay. No such container. So I did get an error, but the container was still deleted. Okay. Then let's do the normal install, and for the normal install we need to use the same command that we used to install it, because it is installed. It was installed. Let me show you. Start. It was installed in custom locations, so we need to install it in the same location. Okay, let's hit enter. Let's see. Cut. Okay, and it has been recreated because yesterday and you will see I have another video like this. It's called how to customize an AOT container, and yeah, it will be available in a list, YouTube list, and I see that the configuration has changed. This is again the default 7 days. This should be to false, and I already copied that because I was sure that this will happen. And I will just take this or I don't really need to because I have made only 2 changes. Okay, let me edit. So, okay, and things that I changed were here the retention days only to 3, and 5% of the disk, and here it's false. So again, we need this to be false so that we can connect with the director to this to the log server and see the logs. And I believe we need a new key, but let's see if director is still able to read with the old key. No, so the key is no longer available because we removed that container, but that is no problem because we will generate a new one. We will use this one, the get key. Okay, so let's generate. How's it? Log viewer. Oh, we didn't start it. Yeah, my bad. Okay, now we started. Yeah, since we didn't start it, let's check. Let's see if it works. And done this a couple of times. Sorry, we need to use the head command. So this one. Okay. It started. Code, okay. Okay, the start looks good. Now let's generate, or no, let's wait. Let's see. So if it wasn't started, that was normal. Okay, and I don't need. Oh, good thing to know. So I didn't need a new key. So even if I reinstalled it, I didn't need a new key. The director was not able to connect it because it was down. Okay, and now let's go to my VDA and let's go with 7 days. And yes, I can see the logs from yesterday. Okay, so this was it. Those were the steps to reinstall. just stop the container, remove it from Docker, like here, like Citrix says, and just run the install process one more time. Of course, you need to use the same parameters that you used to initially create the container, because here we mentioned a custom destination for the config files and for the databases. So this is important when you reinstall. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video. Give it a like or whatever you like. So have a great day.